Hi everyone, this is Ella and Ella's mommy, and we are from the
Best ever!
Yay! And we're playing Pinkfong Super Phonics. We're gonna learn phonics in this episode.
Pat.
Oh, you said they're looking for pat.
Pat. Pat.
Pat.
Pat.
Good job. You have to sound out the sounds. You have to make this little.
I didn't hear it. Matt.
Matt. Matt.
Pat.
Oh, that's Pat.
Pat.
Hey,
Matt.
you don't just click everything. You have to understand and listen to the sounds. Cat.
Cat.
Cat. Yay, you got cat right.
Hat.
Hat. Ha, 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 ha.
Hat.
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 Good job.
It's always the middle sentence.
Super.
Look, that's me.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna learn. What is it?
Keep going. Keep going. Clap.
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 You have to look at the letter that has the AP at the back. See? AP. What's the word that has the AP? Yes. App.
Clap.
La app. La app. App.
Cap.
Cap. Yes.
Stop the cat.
No, it's not the cat. It's not cat. It's cap.
But it sounds like stop the cap. You can hear it.
Okay, what has app at the end?
Tap.
Tap. Good. You get all rhymes.
Tap. Stop the cap.
Yay.
Great job.
Clap when the dancer taps.
And.
That rhymes. And.
Keep going.
Oh no!
And.
You have to get the and
I
sound.
didn't understand. I didn't hear. And.
And. Yeah.
Can.
Good job. Can.
Can. And.
Okay. And. What has and in it? Dad? No. Fox?
What do you mean? What do
No.
you mean? What
Has
is?
A-N. And.
Van.
Yeah, Van. Van has
And.
N.
It sounds like you just said your name.
Yeah, my name sounds like that too.
Fan.
Fan.
Fan. Helicopter.
Okay.
You're the best. That's how you do a helicopter.
You must be super excited to know your phonics.
Jam.
Yam. Jam. Or ham. Yam, jam, or ham. Jam.
Jam.
Oh.
Ham.
You're supposed to put it in the train. Okay, ham. Which one's
Ham.
Good job.
It's yam. It's
Yam.
on the floor.
Okay.
It's on the floor.
I know.
Yam.
It's just a game, but you wouldn't put your food on the floor. Right?
I always.
Yeah, that's okay. That's
Great job.
Even mommy drops food on the floor sometimes by accident.
Add.
Oh, add.
Bad.
Bad.
What's bad?
Bad.
Add.
Add. What has add in the word?
Glad.
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 Good job.
I'm gonna blade. Add.
You're gonna glade? Okay, add.
Sad.
Sad. Sad.
Sad. Add.
Add. Which one has it?
Do we dad?
Oh, Dad. Did you get that
Dad.
too? Yeah, that took a while. There was more balloons to look
You're
at.
the best.
Good job. Which one do you want?
My face is not even in the eyeball. Amazing.
Ah, good job. Choose your phonics. Okay, what's
Pen.
this? Pen. Which one says pen?
I was wanted that pen.
Okay,
Pen.
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 Good job. So smart. Good job,
Pen.
everyone.
Remember, I can't read.
But you are learning how to read, right?
Pen. I said can't
Hen. Hen.
read. Pen.
Hen? Den? Or hen? Yeah, hen.
10.
10. 10. Oh, that's D. That's H.
10.
Yes.
I guess it's already.
That's supposed to be T. 10.
Den.
Den. Oh!
Den. It's always
Den.
the song. You're the
Good
best.
job.
I don't even look like it.
That's how you look. Okay, now we're gonna do. Oh, we're gonna help him get across.
Bobby, don't tell me. I don't really know what this is.
Good job. Vet.
Head.
Eh.
Head.
Pet.
Head. Et.
Eh. Which one has eh?
Met.
Met. Good
Met.
job.
Et.
Wet. Oops, I said it by
Wet.
accident. I said it by accident.
You see wet. The wet is right there. You're the best.
Good job. Okay, let's see what's next.
Pig.
Oh, fig. Oh, pig. Pig. Which one's pig? Good job. You have to put the pig on there, remember?
Pig.
Good job. Big, 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 big,
Big.
big. Yeah, big.
Wig. I know it just goes in the
Wig.
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 Wiggy,
Good
wiggy,
job.
wiggy, wiggy, wiggy,
Wiggy pig.
wiggy,
No, wiggy. No, wig.
Wiggy
Big
pig.
and pig.
You're the best.
Wig.
Wiggy
A wig.
pig.
A pig with a wig.
Mommy, pin. Wiggy pig.
Mhm.
Wiggy pig.
Pin.
Pin.
Pin. Good
Pin.
job.
Fin.
Fin.
Fin. I think that's a
Fin.
movie.
Fin. Fin.
I think that's
Fin.
a movie's tail.
Fin.
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 Good job.
So it's these two.
No,
Tin.
you have to learn the sound. Tin. Tin. Tin.
Huh? Tin.
Tin. Tin. Oh,
Bin.
that was close.
Tin.
Tin. Yeah. That was close.
Bin.
though. Bin. Bin now. Bin.
Bin.
Bin. Oh.
Bin.
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 Oh.
It's always
bin.
the middle. I don't know. I always the middle.
Mhm,
You're
not
the
always
best.
Good job. That was a bin. Yep.
It.
It. Oh.
Sit.
Sip.
Sit. I had to
Good
put
job.
my hand on the middle.
Yeah.
And here. And
It.
we had to.
You have to find something that has ip.
Shit.
Shit. Good
I had
job.
to see if I can reach anything It. without grabbing my hand.
Ip.
Zip.
Zip.
I did. Zip. I tried to get that. I was trying
It.
to get the one right there.
Ip. Which one has ip?
Tip.
Ooh, did you get that
Tip.
too?
Tip.
Yeah, that was
Tip.
good.
Tip.
Good job, everyone. Mhm.
Great job.
Good job. Okay.
Kitty.
Yeah, choose
Looks
it.
great.
Good.
It's dog.
Oh, dog. Dog.
I know what
Frog.
it is.
Frog. Yeah.
Log.
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 Shh. You have to let everyone listen to the sound of the word. Log. Dog.
Super.
Yes. Super. Oh, your costume's so nice.
Up.
Oh. Up.
Hop. Never
Hop.
give you up. You can hear
Hop.
that.
No. That's
Up.
not. It just sounds like that, but it's not giving
Hop.
you up. Up. Hop. Good job.
Up.
Up.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Keep going.
Ella?
Keep going. Top.
Look at a word closely.
Like this.
Top.
Top.
No, not like that. You ruin your eyes. You have
Up.
to stay far away from the screen. Okay, up. What has up in it?
Stop.
Stop. Good
I
job,
think he
everyone.
said that. Stop.
No, he didn't say that. He didn't say
Super.
that. Yay! So cute. Your face so cute.
Ox.
Ox. B- ox. B- ox.
Box.
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 Good job.
I like to go on boxes. Ox.
You like to go on boxes? Oh, I just said box. Ox.
Box.
Yeah, box.
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 Ox. Fox.
Ox.
Fox.
Fox. Good job.
Ox.
Fox.
Fox.
Fox. Good.
Fox.
Good.
Super.
Super! Give me 5. Yay! She celebrates whenever you complete
I did see this.
a level. Yeah.
Mommy, did you see me this?
Okay, so bug, glug or mug?
Bug.
Bug, good
Mug.
job. And then we have mug.
Mug.
And then you have
Pug. Pug.
pug. Ooh, pug.
Bug.
Bug.
Great job.
Buck. Ooh, what letter are we gonna
Run.
do now? Run.
Run. Run.
Yeah, run. Good job,
Fun.
everyone. Yay. Wow, Pinkfong. Fun.
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 Run.
Fun.
Sun. Fun.
Fun. Yeah, good job. You can't just choose everything, Ella. Listen
Sun.
to the sound. Sun. Sun.
I thought you told
Sun.
me to the sound that I hear it.
Yeah, sun.
Sun. Run.
Oh, sun
Sun.
with the S. Yes, sun with
Bun.
the S. Oh, here. Bun. Bun.
Bun. Bun.
Good job. That looks like a
Say
nice bun.
anything, Mommy.
Yeah, I'm not gonna say anything.
Super.
Let's see if we get it without mommy's help. Ooh, what monster? I like the monster. Want to keep yours? I don't know why it's making me choose one
Awesome.
caution. Oh, princess.
Nut.
Nut. Nut. Look, that's a nut. Nut is a normal word. Nut. Which one's nut?
Nut.
Sit there. Oh,
Donut.
you almost fell off. Donut.
Donut.
Donut. Yeah.
Coconut.
Coconut.
I don't like coconut.
Coconut.
I like coconut. You like the coconut cake with the jelly. You don't? Oh. Why do you choose?
No, I said I'm big.
Okay, so now we go to
E.
E.
Tree.
Good job. That was a good one.
Tree.
Yeah, that was a good one.
E.
E.
B.
B. Ooh,
B.
good job.
E.
Oh, knee.
Knee.
I was trying to select knee. Yeah.
Bama.
Whoa, one more
Knee.
block and we're at the finish
Knee.
line. C.
C.
I'm clicking at how from now on.
Good job. Whoa, look at the treasure he got.
Super.
Super. Yeah, okay.
Ooh.
I think that's enough of Pinkfong, Phonics. Yeah, we're
Zoo.
gonna play some more later and do
Zoo.
another episode. But that's it for today.
Ooh.
You like it, subscribe.
Yay, remember to like and subscribe like Ella said, and we'll see you soon for family fun learning. Bye.